Hi, my name is Auren Lopez. I've been living here in the US for around 7 months. I was going to come just for 2 weeks. I have a life-changing event. And then I was thinking, well, what business how could I make a living here? So I wasn't quite sure about what to do. I know I do love flying drones. And then as I was in Instagram, I came about the drone boss and I heard that all these things about making money as a drone business and all that. So I came in the course and I love it. I think for me, it's been a life-changing event and I'm really, really motivated to start a drone business. So I'm very, very happy. I think the course is very, very good, very informative, very motivating, which is a very important part. And there's a lot of technical information, both business-wise and in the drone technology. So I would suggest anyone that is passionate about drones or technology to come to this seminar because it's worth it. Thank you.